Yes. Hello guys, if you are planning to get into tech into 2024, these are the fields according to my own research which also have a lot of future projections you should consider getting into. So number one on my list is being a blockchain developer. So blockchain has increased, not just it has bypassed the level of cryptocurrencies and it's going very wide. So and the demand for blockchain developers is increasing rampantly. So and it will continue to increase for a lot of time. So if you're considering getting into tech, you should consider blockchain, being a blockchain developer. Number two, you should go for data analysts or data architects. So as more data is increasing by the day, the need for professionals who can analyze this data and do some computations on this data and give some like the data needed by some companies is increasing, and data will keep on increasing. The population keeps on increasing. So if you are planning to get into tech, you should consider being a data analyst. So number three on my list is what? Machine learning engineer. So as AI keeps on increasing, so people they need people to create models, these AI models. So and it will keep on increasing. So if you are considering tech in 2024, you should consider machine learning. So number four on my list is what? Cyber security specialist. So the amount of crime wave over the internet is increasing rampantly, and it will continue to increase as many people are trying to test out a lot of things. So due to that, the amount of cyber security specialists are needed a lot, and they will continue to be needed in a very long time. If you are considering getting to tech in 2024, you should consider cyber security specialists. So number five on my list is cloud computing or cloud architect. So now most of the things have been shifted towards the cloud base, and now they need people who can manage manage these cloud-based services. So cloud engineers will be they will be needed. So if you are considering getting into tech, you should definitely consider cloud computing. So number six on my list is what? Software development. Software development such like full stack developers, DevOps engineers and stuff like that. So this is one of the fields that's been there for a very long time, and it will continue to be there. So if you're considering getting into tech, you should consider being a software engineer. So now another one is what? AR VR developers. Virtual reality developers are in high demand. You should consider getting into this field as virtual reality is gaining a lot of grounds, and it will continue for a very long time. So developers in virtual reality are being needed a lot. So you should consider virtual reality. You have AI ATCs, who can address ethical concerns to ensure responsible AI development. They are being needed. These are the type of people they call AI ATCs. People who can analyze and give good ways where this AI development can be done. They're in high demand. So you should consider AI ATCs. So if you're getting into tech, I hope my list did help you. I will bring more videos just like this, and don't forget to follow for part 2 to see the entry level salaries for these different fields, and the base salary where you can make, how much you can make out of these fields if you really concentrate on them and be good at what you are doing. So follow for part 2, as I will be bringing the salary analysis from my own end. So thank you for following. Like, share, comment and subscribe. So see you in the next video. Ciao.